Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we shall see how to create 3D photo model of yourself for Instagram or Facebook or wherever you want to. It's very popular these days and it's absolutely free to make them. You just have to follow some of the steps that I'm going to show you one by one. So let's see how we can do that. So the first thing that you need to do is to download this Bing application, which is developed by Microsoft. So you can open your App Store or the Play Store depending on which phone you use, and then you have to search for Bing, that is Bing, and this is the application that I am talking about, Bing. And you can see that it's developed by Microsoft Corporation and powered by ChatGPT. So we can just download this now. So once the application has been downloaded and installed, we can just open it like this. Then it's going to ask for the permission to send you notifications. Now that's totally up to you if you want to allow it or not. I'm not going to allow it, and then I don't want the app to track me. Alright, then just tap on continue. Then make sure that this use GPT-4 is turned on. So just tap on the back button. Alright, and then on the top left corner you can tap on the icon. Since I am already an account holder of Microsoft account, so that is why they have logged me in the app automatically. In case you are not logged in, you will get the option something like tap to sign in. You will have to sign in. If you don't have any Microsoft account, you will have to create a new account. In case you have it, you just need to sign in into it. Then after that you just search here, search for image creator, and this is the image creator that I'm talking about. Just tap on it and then it's going to open up. And then after that you have to copy and paste the description. I'm going to keep this description in the description of the video, so you can directly copy it and then paste it. It's actually the description of the photo that we want to create. So once you have copied and pasted here, now let's see what are the things that we need to change. Let's read the description first. Create a 3D illustration of an animated character sitting casually on top of the social media logo. So now here we have to give the name of the social media platform. So let's say Instagram. The character must wear casual modern clothing such as jeans, jacket and sneaker shoes. The background of the image is a social media profile page with the... Now here we need to write our name. So I'll just write my name here. And a profile picture that matches. Now once you have made the changes to the description, you can just tap here, join and create. The AI is going to create a photo for the description that you have given. And then after waiting for a few seconds, the AI is going to generate the 3D model photos for you. And in the photograph you can see the username that you have given. And then we can just download it. To download it, you just need to tap here on this icon and it is saved. Now in the same way you can create different kind of photograph for you. So that's all for this video. I hope you were able to create a 3D model for your social media. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.